Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to track a DHL package online. This is helpful when you want to check where your package is, whether it is still on the way, delayed, or already delivered. To start, open up your browser and go to dhl.com. On the home page, look for your shipment. If you do not see it right away, open the menu at the top and look for the tracking option. Next, get your DHL tracking number, also called a waybill number. You can usually find it on your receipt or confirmation email. Type the number into the tracking box, then click track. After that, DHL will show the current status of your package. You can see if it still is moving out for delivery or already delivered. If it has been delivered and you need proof, click proof of delivery, and then DHL may ask you to verify details like a contact number, zip code, or email address linked to the shipment. You can also open the full shipment updates to see the different scans and locations your package passed through. And that is how you track DHL package online. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.